Staying on the forefront of cutting-edge energy, cybersecurity, communications, and other technological innovations usually requires spending countless hours digging through mounds of business plans, company overviews, slide decks, and marketing materials. You could end up wasting time evaluating innovators who don't even meet your basic criteria, while missing out on opportunities to connect with innovators who have what you need. Not to mention the hassle of trying to manage and keep track of all those documents. Now imagine, instead of mounds of materials, you only have to review 3 one-page PDFs about each company, a process that takes you a fraction of the time that it used to. Introducing the New York Stock Exchange's Corporate Connections, an online platform that leverages Startup America's network of thousands of startups to manage the entire workflow process of innovation submission, screening, and selection. The Corporate Connections program, which is powered by TechMATCH software, manages qualified introductions to innovators from across the country that you might not have encountered otherwise. Instead of putting together endless amounts of promotional documents, innovators can quickly provide their information in easy-to-use online forms. Information from the online forms is reformatted into 3 one-page standardized PDFs that are much easier for you to review. This shortens the review process, which allows you to review more applicants in less time. All applicants are evaluated based on the same information, so you'll be comparing apples to apples instead of apples to oranges. At any point in the review process, innovators will know the status of their application. Similarly, you'll be able to keep track of the status of every applicant. The platform's database will serve as your startup library, which you can use to search for or sort startups based on your needs. And since all of your files are immediately updated in the system whenever your startups make changes, you'll always have the most current information. Plus, corporate partners can authorize anyone in your enterprise to search the database, which can be especially useful for colleagues working in different parts of the organization. From a federal sales rep in DC, to an account manager in Dallas, a researcher in Boston, to a corporate investor in New York, and a licensing manager in Los Angeles. As you're introduced to more startups, you'll receive real-time quantitative analysis that shows you the types of innovators and technologies that you're exposed to. This feedback helps you tailor your outreach efforts to yield the best results. So instead of working harder, work smarter. Let Corporate Connections handle the innovative workflow process so you can get back to business.